Hi friends, I am Abhinav. Today we are going to see about types of C qualifiers and format specifiers and operators precedence. First we are going to see about types of C qualifiers. Type qualifiers are nothing but the keywords that can be prepended to variables to change their accessibility. There are two types of qualifiers in C programming language, constant qualifier and volatile qualifier. First we are going to see about constant qualifier. The constant qualifier is used to declare a variable to be read-only. Its value cannot be changed, and it can be declared by using constant keyword. And it is also helps to prevent accidental change of the values. To declare a constant qualifier, we must include a constant keyword before or after the data type. The syntax to declare a constant qualifier is given below. Below there is a example for a constant qualifier. In the example, the constant float pi equal to 3.14. The pi value is a constant qualifier. The value of the pi cannot be changed. So it is example for a constant qualifier. Volatile qualifier. The volatile qualifier is used to declare a variable that can be changed explicitly. It also tells the compiler that a variable's value may change at any time. It is very useful for the embedded programming to keep the updated value that can be updated from various interrupts. To declare a volatile variable, we use a volatile keyword. To declare a volatile variable, we must include a volatile keyword before or after a data type. The syntax for the volatile qualifier is given below. In the below example, for the volatile qualifier, the variables can be changed. Next, we are going to see about format specifier. The format specifier is used during input and output. It is a way to tell the compiler what is the type of a data it is in a variable during taking input using scanf or printing using printf. Some example for the format specifiers are percentage %c, percentage %d, percentage %f, etc. These are example for format specifiers. The format specifier in printf and the scanf are mostly same, but there is some difference which we will see. Next, we are going to see about character format specifier. The character format specifier, for declaring a variable, we use a %c because it is a character. We can declare, for example, a, b, c, d is a character. So we are using a format specifier that is %c. Next, for a integer format specifier, we can use a %d or %i. The given program, they are declaring two variable. They are declaring two variable 45 and 90. So it is there. So they are integers. So they are declared by using %d and %i respectively. If it is an unsigned integer format specifier, we can declare by using %u symbol. The %u can be only used if it is an unsigned integer. Whether it is a positive or negative, we cannot find. We can use by using %u. Next, floating point format specifiers, and it can be declared by using %f or %e. Floating point is nothing but if a value is in a point or a decimal digits, it's known as floating point digits. So it can be represented by using %f or %e. Next, for unsigned octal number of integer, the %o is used for unsigned octal number for integers. For unsigned hexadecimal, for an integer, we can use %x or %X symbol to declaring the unsigned hexadecimal integers. Next, double floating pointing number. If it is a double floating point number, we can use %if to declare that double floating point numbers. If it is a string input, %s symbol is used. If as before said, if a character input is given, we can use a %c. Next, we are going to see about the operators in C. Operators precedence is nothing but it determines the grouping of terms in an expression and decides how an expression is evaluated. Certain operators have higher precedence than others. For example, the multiplication operator has a higher precedence than the addition operator. For example, x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Here x is assigned as 13, not 20, because operator's multiplication operator has a higher precedence than plus. So it gets first multiplied with 3 into 2 and then adds into 7. Here operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, those with the lowest appear at the bottom. With an expression, higher precedent operators will be evaluated first. The below the given a example table for operator precedence in C. The postfix, unary, multiplicative, additive, shift, relational, equality, bitwise and XOR or and or conditional assignment. These are the operators precedence in C. And the operator, the category operator and associativity is also given. And below there is an example for the operator precedence. Operator precedence. That's it about type of C qualifiers and format specifiers and operator precedence. Thank you.